To be mostly cloudy this Thursday with light rain across eastern KwaZulu-Natal and the eastern parts of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Further into the eastern interior, we are expecting isolated thunder showers over the Highveld areas. Across western South Africa, we are going to stay with fine and dry weather conditions, although a bit of cloud is going to creep onto the southwest coastline and parts of the south coast. Now, we are expecting up to a 40% chance of precipitation this Thursday in all those areas highlighted by that light shade of blue. The South African Weather Service is maintaining a warning for extremely uncomfortable and hot weather conditions across the West Coast district of the Western Cape. We also have a watch in place for severe thunderstorms, which could produce large hail and damaging winds across much of the Free State and the southern parts of the northwest. Afternoon temperatures are going to be on the comfortable side across the eastern parts of the country. Joburg, Polokwane and Mbombela will peak at around 24 degrees, 26 in Pretoria, 28 for Mahikeng. We are expecting highs around 27 for Durban and Richards Bay. It's going to be hot across western South Africa, 41 for the top temperature in Appington, Vredendal 36. The mother city will peak at a hot 34. 26 for the high in Port Elizabeth and East London, but it's going to be hot over the interior of the Eastern Cape. And now for a look at what the coastal areas have in store for your Thursday. Good beach conditions are forecast along the west coast, where moderate winds are expected for much of your day. For the boaters, we are expecting swell heights off the west coast to average around 2 meters. Down along the southwest coastline, good beach conditions are also forecast from the Atlantic side of Cape Peninsula through Force Bay into Hermanus, but strong winds are going to keep beach conditions poor around the Cape Agulhas area. Along the south coast, we are expecting pretty strong winds here. The winds could gust up to 55 kilometers per hour for Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth, and we're expecting swell heights to be at around 2.5 meters off the south coast. Lastly, a look along the east coast, where strong winds are also expected around the Wild Coast and East London. We are expecting poor beach conditions for Richards Bay thanks to the light rain forecast in those areas.